The need for colon cleansing is based on the theory that undigested meat and other foods, medications, and chemical or substances that we ingest cause a buildup of mucus in the colon. Over time, this accumulation of mucus produces toxins which circulate throughout the body through the bloodstream, ultimately poisoning the body. By cleansing your digestive system of any unwanted toxins, you'll feel brand new after just one day. You don't have to spend a lot of money to cleanse your colon. You can often use ingredients you already have to make a colon cleanse. However, you should schedule your colon cleanse to begin on a day when you do not have to leave the house to give your body time to adjust to the internal cleansing process. Ingredients you'll need for one serving: ½ cup 100% pure organic apple juice, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger juice, ½ a teaspoon sea salt, ½ a cup of warm purified water. To start, place ½ cup of purified water in a pan. You'll want to warm the water, not boil it, so that you can drink the water at a safe temperature. Once it is warm, pour it into your glass. Then add ½ a teaspoon of sea salt and stir. The sea salt will help release toxins, pushing waste through the body and ultimately improving digestion. Now, add the apple juice, ginger juice, and fresh lemon juice. Stir well. Where do you think an apple a day keeps the doctor away came from? Well, maybe it's not specific to the colon, but it did come from the idea that whole foods, such as the nutrition-rich apple, brings good health, and a healthy colon definitely yields good health. Ginger is great because it reduces bloating while stimulating the colon, keeping it free from wastes and harmful toxins. And let's not forget about the amazing lemon. Lemon juice aids digestion, detoxification, and is high in vitamin C, making it a great antioxidant. It's why it plays such a key role in my secret detox drink. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Then, have this mixture again just before a light lunch, preferably of steamed vegetables and baked salmon, and again mid-afternoon, which means you have to make this fresh detox drink 3 times separately to be more effective. Have 6 to 8 glasses of room temperature water throughout the day. It may be best to slow down the consumption of liquids after 5 p.m. so that you are not awakened in the night with having to go to the bathroom. Performing this type of colon cleanse should not present any problems. However, it is always good to check with your doctor if you are pregnant, have a disease, suffer from allergies, or are taking any prescription medications prior to any new activity.